Kenekwa m gị bụ ndị mana ege ntị biko video anyị na-afụ bụ video chi Marine Temple. Osigo ka bịa way in n'ọnụ ihe na-eme na Igbo anyị. Like I said, I will continue to sing. Unu niile nwere ndị bụ ndị ezigbo ya. Ochi Marine Temple men ndị social media ji egbawa ndị dibịa ji egbawa na social media. We should not dispute that fact. Chi Marine Temple so n'ihe ndị dibịa ji egbawa na social media. Ochi Marine Temple nye had that battleground. Clearly had that ụzọ ha ji batawa. And other influencers nyezi aka wee push ya. So now we cause ihe niile na-eme na social media today, na-eme na Igbo today. Because Igbo had brought this wicked and this bad before until all this wicked DBS video pataba. Igbo had all this ruthless before until all this video making pataba. From DBO Congo DBA bona above very dark man baby anya laka na Anambra State. Anambra State nkuso we maybe omaka na ojeberonga. To all of them, they promote DBK, they are part of what we are facing today in Southeast. Which in Hanchina we are supposed to be in prison to hunger. Because we promote Ogwike, Omunkanka, Dibian, Wagasina, Patakita. Yeah, that young guy bonus, and in your wine named Neji bonus. How would you know unable mother was in a hard bonus, 7 months. Habu ya kedu onye na-abịa ego dị anụ ndị dibịa na-abịa ego dị human part. Okulora si na atọlọ ya mgbọsị na n'Imo steeti gịnị ka ọ fụ dị ya ọgwụ agwọla agwụ ke ndị na-agwọ ọgwụ ọhụ ndị dibịa na-agwọ ya. Ndị dibịa na-agwọ dozo ọgwụ ahụ. Why are we just keeping calm ka iketa Chi Marine Temple apụta go na-etinye ọnụ na na-enidi kpọta Bakassi nwa anwa atọ kpam now. Oke n'ọsọ ngwele n'ọsọ. Oke n'ọsọ ngwele n'ọsọ. Because all Bakassi has solved this issue. Okay, no so ngwele n'ọsọ because nobody will be left. And I'm advocating for it. When I utter Bakassi one say bata. Man, the government officials and they don't support you John Emen and Igbo today will not support it. They will never advocate for it. They will keep using the police the way they want, using the soldiers the way they want, using anybody the way they don't know if I get an abad or no. In which he send the alien the DSS on the Hogam, send their EFCC. After I hear work is stronger, we use now that chair. And ask you what Bakassi. When I with Bakassi, my government kakahalo kakwisi lol, see we better baha. Because na alo na bazahona neighbor every day here and there. But modern mother kalobi na should show them proof of no and them mother boloya. Unu show proof nyale expensive car without convoy. Don't no mother na mobu funa on adam mota or mother nato to get witnesses. Unu bakeneba hokuloraba. Una bagalia. Make video post to a fego. Kulumano na survive. Yeah, that is your own witness and your own proof. Obuno ye kunu weme. I don't know why can they glorify you all these days. People are suffering. The Lagos the seeking no rename street half and I keep saying it. Once they are done, they are coming for Igbo properties. They are coming for your shops, they are coming for your houses, and they are coming for your landed properties. The earlier the better. The earlier the better. Also chuba mmadụ n'ugwu Hausa mgbe ha na Igbo. Also chuba na Lagos na Igbo mana kịta Igbo is no longer safe. And Igbo abụọ ebe a na-agbata ọsọ. Because ndị nọ n'ụlọ safe na-achọ ebe ha ya agbaje. Because of ajọ ihe. Nene Chi Marine Temple okwu. Unenecha, don't forget to subscribe. God one.
Yeah. Governor Anambra State. Bring back Bakassi. People should go and bring back Bakassi. They should bring back Bakassi. Bakassi is the only answer that can stop this nonsense happening in the Southeast. Nobody is happy. Since they have chased police away and soldiers, then they should go and bring back Bakassi. Ndị na-eke mbe n'ọnụ, na-eke ọgwụ n'ọnụ, ka emezie ya eye to eyes. Ọkpọtọ ọkpọ mma to mma. Onye chara ede. Onye disgasịgoro onwe ya pụta main road. Idisgasị onwe pụta main road. Baa bọs. Akpọpụta ya ịcha na red. Ebepụ ya isi. Bakassi is the only answer to what is happening in this our country or state. Soludo, what Bakassi? Yes. What Bakassi? Bring back Bakassi. That is the only thing that can stop this nonsense. Since they killed this boy in the last, nobody is free in that state. The only thing Anambra state government need even now is Bakassi. Or Eastern governors, they should bring back Bakassi. Yes, so all Bakassi can need this now. Odogachi, Bajano Mono, Kewele Bakassi, Bidolo. Soludo, bring back Bakassi. Oye Tarel Nama, Chibudes the Banana. Nanka Calico is alright. The only solution to problem I want to east kita Bakassi. Bakassi. Ya bo ihe nche ekwu unu. Make sure na video anụmanụ gọvanọ unu nte. Onye na-ele azụ ofu nwa mmadụ nwe ofu mkpụrụ anya ji esi ụgwọ ka ya hụma kpụrụ ya egbuo nala mmiri ego. Ụlọ aka na-atụ unu. Anywhere you are, don't sleep and lose guard if your head is still okay for you. The only solution for Bakassi, ndị na-ekere mmadụ mbe na ya confess ya publicly. Ya ọgwụsịa ife ga-asọ the problem a. Ọgwụsịa Bakassi. Oge nke mmadụ n'otu ife amere ata ya ma ya repeat gwa ọzọ. Anyi Igbo adigo brutal. If Bakassi is the answer of this prayer, Bakassi will the only thing that solve the problem. After collecting 10 million from this woman, they have killed his son. If you have some problem with Bakassi, more than more about you, let me talk. Bakassi is the answer of this problem. Bakassi is the answer of this problem. Anigbo. About nche, about scouts, about we yahoo. Ndị a na-eme fall like a tree, bando war. Mba. Bakassi ka anyị chọzi. Gọvanọ nye anyị Bakassi, wete Bakassi. Wetere anyị Bakassi. Wetere anyị Bakassi. Anyị chọzi Bakassi. Anyị chọzi Bakassi. Anyị chọzi Bakassi. Wete Bakassi na Anambra. Iwete Bakassi obi ga-adị anyị mma. Wetere anyị Bakassi. Bakassi will solve the problem. Bakassi will solve this problem. Bakassi. Ndị a na-anya ndị na-aba. Ndị na-eme mgbufu ishi. Bakassi. Ndị a chere mmadụ mma. Mmadụ atara akụ aka onye ọgwụ n'olu. Ọzọ mmụọ bụ okeke ebeli esi pịa. Ebeli aka pịa. Ever blood of the blood to blood. Governor, bring Bakassi. This is not police issue. Bakassi is the only answer to this problem. This is not security. Bakassi. This is not carrying compassion. Kwa di ede. It disappear. It will Iwoli choke. Ate ye mma itare. Bakassi ka ito. Soludo, Bakassi is the final solution to this problem. Please. Biko. That fish boy, only if you look at this fish boy here, go and recruit Bakassi. Yes. They should get Bakassi. Bakassi is the only solution to this problem. It is not to Dogachi. Because they are born scouts, on the war, on the police. Bakassi, straight ahead, eye to eye. Bakassi. If you like, don't go and bring Bakassi. The same way but you did it, do it like that. Because only Igbo Katam, tell him. Bakassi. If you put Bakassi now 1 month, even now to go in. Yes, so Bakassi. Bakassi can way one with it. Otapana he could yes the line. Only more say, Unjana Bosso, Casey Bogan Cabagan Cambalujo. Odioshi, I buy what you I may test the eye. Etana whoosh, Bakassi. Macarama Bubble one allows. Ikabankate, Soludo, bring Bakassi. Soludo, go and bring Bakassi. Bring Bakassi. Bring Bakassi. Go and look for Bakassi. This is not stop and start security. Let's go. Let's then go and get Bakassi. Even if you are inside a car, that car, I'm not going to carry. I can stop motor for time. Even you will confess it to me. Bakassi was said. Bakassi will eye to eye. Bakassi is the solution, is the answer to this problem. This is Shima Rentam. I don't care. I'm not happy. I am not happy. This boy there has Kebu. It's a bankate. Solo the get us Bakassi. With the Bakassi. Bakassi is the only solution. Big man got also. The big man on there for them before talking about also. Yes, so they will fly overnight. Anambra got the peaceful. Get Bakassi. The way but do it. No Bakassi, wahala. Bakassi is the only answer. No security. Not soldier, not police anymore. Bakassi, eye to eye. Biko, Soludo with Bakassi. I beg you. So those who kill this boy must be fished out. And they will confess. And you what? A man shall sleeve. Pimpi pocket, a bujiaka. Obu made a boya. Bakassi. Soludo, bring Bakassi. Governor Soludo, Chimano, go and bring back Bakassi. This is not Christianity will. People are dying. Some women are widows. Some mothers are losing their children every day. Bakassi. That is the only answer to this nonsense naming. Bring Bakassi. Even Bakassi work 1 month. It will sanitize Anambra State. Bakassi is the answer of this nonsense.